Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to get back personal account on Instagram. It's quite simple. If you are trying to get back to a personal account after using your creator/business account, this is the easiest way to do it. First, click on the professional dashboard option in your profile, which you can come by clicking on the bottom right corner. Once you're here and you click on professional dashboard, you will see all of these available options. Now, all you have to do now is to click on the top right corner. It is a gear icon. Just click on it. And now you will see that we have this option to switch our account type. It's the second last option. You will see that once you click on it, it will give you two options. You can either switch to a personal account or a business account. And then it will ask you whether you really want to switch. Just click on switch to personal account. And that is it. Now you can make your account private and do all sorts of things that were only limited or available for a personal account. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.